Just wanted to make a quick video on how I'm using this mid-size box pacKout. I think it's a $79 or now it's $89. But using the trays, I think I got a tray from another box, but using the trays for batteries. Sorry it's a little dark. Yeah, you pull out the way, stack up, bam. Got a couple more down here. You guys on that side. And here in the bottom, I'm using this box right now. There's a tool in it, but I'm using that box just to hold everything in place until I figure out what I'm going to use in the middle. But I got a few of them cup containers down there from the other boxes. That's all PPE stuff. And yeah, I'm liking how this is working right now with that. Try to store my batteries at 50%. Yeah, a lot of them are more. But yeah, that's how I'm using that one.